Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Maria is a small municipality on the southern coast of Quebec's Gaspé Peninsula, overlooking the beautiful waters of Chaleur Bay. It is part of the Bonaventure region and has a population of about 2,400 people. The community is known for its scenic coastline, rich Acadian heritage, and strong connection to both the sea and the surrounding forests. Maria serves as an important residential and service community for this part of eastern Quebec. The area has been home to the Mi'kmaq people for thousands of years, long before European settlers arrived. During the 18th century, Acadian families who had been displaced from other parts of Atlantic Canada settled along Chaleur Bay, helping establish many of the communities that exist today. Maria was officially founded in the early 19th century and was named in honor of Maria Matilda, the wife of Sir James Kempt, who served as Governor of Lower Canada. Fishing, farming, and forestry formed the backbone of Maria's economy for generations. Families relied on the rich waters of Chaleur Bay for lobster, salmon, cod, and other seafood, while nearby farmland supported dairy farming, livestock, and crops. Forestry also provided steady employment through logging and wood processing. One of Maria's most important institutions is the Regional Hospital, which serves communities across much of the Baie des Chaleurs area. The healthcare sector is one of the municipality's largest employers and has helped make Maria an important service center despite its relatively small population. The natural setting is one of Maria's greatest attractions. Chaleur Bay is known for having some of the warmest saltwater temperatures in eastern Canada during the summer months. The coastline features beaches, rocky shores, forests, and panoramic views across the bay toward New Brunswick. Maria has a strong Acadian identity that is reflected in its culture, language, music, and community traditions. Local festivals and cultural events celebrate this heritage, while fresh seafood remains an important part of everyday life. Housing in Maria remains relatively affordable compared with Quebec's major urban centers. Average home prices are generally in the range of about $250,000 to $350,000, although waterfront homes and larger properties can command significantly higher prices. The combination of affordable housing, access to healthcare, and beautiful surroundings has made the community appealing to both families and retirees. Today, Maria offers a blend of history, natural beauty, and modern services. Its Acadian roots, coastal setting, and welcoming atmosphere continue to shape everyday life. Maria remains one of the distinctive communities of Quebec's Gaspé Peninsula. Thanks for watching!